So what's up guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can have the user ID of someone in Slack. So what you're going to do is just open your Slack and you'll be having this your workplace over here. So let's say I want to have a user ID of this person. So I'm going to go to his profile like this, view profile, and then I'll be having this profile over here, and over here you'll be having this three dots. So just press it and you'll be having a lot of options. So as I want to have his ID, which is user ID, so I'm just gonna copy the member ID, then let's say over here, and just press Ctrl+V and it will show you the ID of his. So that's pretty much guys, this is how you can find a user ID of a person in Slack. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update from us, and comment down for more reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Take care guys. Thank you for watching.